So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Saggis. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 6th till the 12th of January. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. If this is not like resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's a superb, it's something that is going to change your life if you are going to apply that. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box, and you can book your slots accordingly, or you can mail me if you guys have any problem or queries. The modern sannyasini at gmail.com. Only genuine queries will be answered by my team. Anyways, let's start. Saggis, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Sun card. Someone is quite sure about the situation. Someone got the clarity, the truth, and understanding of the situation for what it is and how it is going. Okay, let's clarify the Sun card. Let's see. We have the Five of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Cups. Sorry, Nine of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Cups. Wow. It's basically a show off. Someone is continuously worried about the future direction of the situation, about some kind of commitment, long-term partnership, and or marriage between you and them. Now they are pretending they got the clarity, they got it all sorted, they know what they want, they know what they are going to get out of this, but they're continuously worried about it, and they are trying their best to hide it from you and portray to you that everything is okay, everything is sorted, we are good. So it's basically a show off where they're continuously telling you that they're happy, they got it, they know what they want, they know what is coming next in the situation, but they're continuously worried about the future direction of the situation, especially related to marriage or commitment. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Saggis? Four of Pentacles. You feel like holding on to this particular person or situation as tightly as possible. You are not able to let go of something or someone here, and you're trying your best not to, because this is something that's very important for you. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Moon card, the Ace of Cups. You're scared. You're scared of losing someone. You're scared of love. You're scared of opening up. You're scared of losing someone that you care for very deeply, but you feel like you should keep your emotions and keep your things to yourself, and you should not tell anybody about the emotions, about the feelings that you're going through. At the same time, you're scared of losing someone very deeply. You're like, no, this person, I can't lose them. This is someone whom I love with all of my heart and soul. I can't lose them. This is important. They are important for me. You're very scared of losing someone. At the same time, you're very scared of opening up about what you feel to this particular person as well. Let's see what they want from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Wheel of Fortune. This person just want to surrender to the divine. They just want to go with the flow and see where things can land in the situation. They're in this energy of they are in this intention of the things are going to fall into place with the time. Everything is going to be fine. Everything is going to be sorted. And let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. We have the Seven of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. See, they want to keep their emotions and they want to drop this stressful energy of always wanting something out of the situation and maybe not getting it whatsoever. So they want to pretend that everything is fine. They want to pretend that everything is going to be sorted at some point of time in this relationship, and let's surrender to the divine. So basically, they want to fake it till they make it. In this direction, in this situation, they are like, okay, everything is fine, everything is sorted, but nothing is sorted, nothing is fine in the situation. You guys need to talk to each other very openly and honestly, and none of you is doing that, or at least one of you is very closed off in that direction, but they're pretending everything is okay, and their intention is that, okay, let this time pass and everything is going to be sorted miraculously. No, not happening. but they have this vision. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Sagis? Eight of Swords. So from your side, you just want to get out of this mental jail that you're trapped in all the time. You can't stop thinking negative about the situation, right? It's happening, right? You can't stop thinking about this situation. You can't stop thinking negative about the situation. So you definitely want to come out of this mental jail. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. You want to do something about it, though. You just want to passionately do something about it. You're like, okay, cut this crap. I just want to do something about it. I just want to sort it out. Whether it means, even if it means that you're going to lose this person for the rest of your life, you just want to sort it out. You just want to get out of this mental jail that you're all like always trapped in because of this situation. You just want to get out of this, right? And be free. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 12th of January, Sagittarius. Lovers. Okay, choice and love. Choice, a decision to make, a final decision, a final choice. Let's clarify the lovers. We have the Sun and the Page of Cups and the Justice, right? Somebody is going to finally make the right move to sort it out with you. Now it could be you opening up to someone with all of your heart and soul and getting the final clarity, getting the understanding of what can happen next in the situation, and or somebody opening up to you with all of their heart and soul and doing the right thing. Finally, somebody is taking the right action in this direction, and you guys are going to have this energy of, okay, let's do the right thing here. Let's choose to do the right thing here. Hmm? Justice coming in, basically. After a lot of struggle and conflict and chaos and this and that, finally justice is going to be served in this connection between you guys. Okay, that's cool. It's pretty cool. For you, the guidance here is Temperance. This is your card only. Be patient, but at the same time, be very, very honest and loyal with yourself first and the other energy. Okay, the more you are going to be patient and honest and loyal with yourself, the more it's going to be easier for you to see the clear picture of the situation and to make the right choice, make the wise decision here. And then afterwards, whenever you make the choice, make the decision, just stick to that decision. That is the most important factor. If you're not going to stick to what you are going to decide, then it's going to create another kind of hell, hellish kind of energies. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.